What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Southgate at a location I've never been before. Supposedly they're having a crazy Black Friday sale. Let's go see what's up, man. It's what, a couple minutes before they open. They got a line. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't done a line situation in forever, but it's supposed to like 50% off all their sneakers and stuff. So all right, let's go see what happens. Let's go see what happens. All right, they did open up 2-3 minutes into it. All right, let's go see what we find. All right, this is the store right here. I don't really know the layout. All right, let's see what we find. Jordan's right there. Everything is 50% off. 50% off. There were a couple exceptions, but I'm not really seeing anything I need right now. I think it excludes Air Force Ones. There were a couple exceptions, Air Force Ones and Dunks, I think. Okay. To be able to get these for 50% off, that is freaking fire. Hope you guys saw my video from, yesterday or a couple days ago, where I told you guys, make sure you guys check everybody's Instagram. I even told y'all about this store too. 50% off everything. Jordan 2s, 14s, 11, low IEs. Got some 1 highs right here. These highs? I think so, yeah, these are 1 highs. It's like a canvas material, denim material right there. AJKOs. Got a bunch of grade school size. They're women's. This is a women's, right? These are really nice, dude. I'm not gonna lie. These as well. To be able to get all this for 50% off, that's fire. Even got the LeBron 2s. That is fire, dude. That's fire. To be able to get these for 50% off is fire. I don't know if I'm gonna get these though. I don't think so today. I like the gold and white ones too. We got some Air Max 90s. I don't know if I'm into these though, but 50% off is kind of crazy. Just gonna get one for a kid that I know. To be able to get these for 50 off, that's kind of insane. It does not include Dunks. Dunks are one of the few things that are excluded. Dunks Air Force Ones. I think watches, I think those were the exclusions. They said colognes too, so like these would be pretty dope, but not 50% off today. They did include the blazers, but I don't see any blazers that one of my family members would want. I'm looking for some blazers. To be able to buy Air More Tempos for 50% off, that's pretty insane. That is crazy. Griffey's 50 off. This sale's only till noon today too. Noon today. Oh, that's like an olive colorway right there, and then the Volt ones. And then for things already on sale, it's not 50 off of the sale price, it's 50 off of the original. So some of these are the same. I haven't seen these in forever. Holy crap, I have not seen these in forever. The 720s. Yeah, I haven't seen that in forever. That's funny. Got another one of these, but got a ton of Vapor Max, all 50 off. That's, man, we're seeing some dope stuff right here, man. Maybe one of these? Ooh, these are dope too. Maybe I might get this. Do I want to spend that much for this kid? I've already bought this kid a bunch of games, and I primarily needed to get him a backpack. Maybe I won't get it for him. I've already spent some money on this kid. Dang it. Thinking about it. Dude got the World Cup game on. Netherlands winning 1-0. Damn, it's only 8 minutes in. Fool's getting spanked like that already. Dang, dude. And workers are busy as hell, man. Workers busy as hell. There's like colorways of these trainers I've never even seen before. Like this one's pretty dope. Alright, these are pretty dope. I think these are what, 160? No, 130. Okay, so $65. You serious? Yeah, that kind of puts things in perspective. $65 for trainers. This one's dope, dude. This one is dope. $65 is definitely a steal. Oh, this is normally $80. This one's already on sale. But like I said, if it's already on sale, it is 50% off the original price. Man. These are the Flight 95s, if I remember. Okay. So at 160, so $80 for these. They do got the pumps. These are fire, dude. I got these at home. Don't have these. To be able to get this for 75, that is a steal. And I really want these. Really want these. To be able to get these for steal, that is fire. Materials alright. Love the colorway of these right here. These are right, but I don't know. The color's just a little weird. I do like the long hair suede though. And got these things. 160 for these. They stapled it on. That's funny. You can even get pennies. Get the bone colorway right here for 50 off. Man.
Hey, babe.
Did I miss these trainers? Damn, dude. Did miss this trainer right here. When is it 130? 130. Let me get that. 50 off, so 65 bucks. 65. This one, like, I'm not a fan of the material. This one's dope. Air Max 97s. I don't even know how long this video is gonna be. All whites. Can't go wrong with that, especially for 50% off. These would be well under $100. I think what's 75. So is that 87.50? The Caterpillar ones right here. We talked about these before. Have I seen these? I don't think I've ever seen these. Have I? I don't know. Okay. I'm really thinking about these. I need to buy presents for all these kids though, dang it. All these dang kids. If you have to get this for 75, that is ridiculous. I wonder if I should have. If I ask for my size, I'm gonna want them. Even these, I don't think we've seen these on sale anywhere. That would be fire to get this for 50% off if you're a fan of those. 95s. Dang. Just crazy. Dude, got a bunch of New Balance here. I don't see any of the, was it the 997s or 993s? That's kind of what my friends are into. I'm saying friends because if I got anything, I'd be getting something for a friend of mine. 2002s. All these 2002s right here. Got this one right here. Kind of looks like a boot, but it's just a shoe. 574s. These are what, 85, I think? 85. So these would come out to what, 42.50? So that's not too bad. A couple more colorways up there. And then they got this one as well. Okay. And they got all this performance stuff. You guys need performance running shoes. Oh, I guess that's on. But Infinity Run Flyknits. Some trail running shoes. Then I forgot to talk about their apparel. Oh, their apparel is 50% off as well. These are freaking huge. This is double XL? Triple XL, that's why. But yeah, to be able to get all this stuff. For 50% off. Like these are fire. I do have Bulls one. I think it's a pinstripe. I think it's a white pinstripe one. And these are what, normally 80. So get these for $40. That's not bad at all. Let me just make sure. Oh, they're down to 60, but like I said, it's off the original price. I don't think it's off of the sale price. Like, that's pretty dope to be able to wear these for some J's. That's what's up. And the Lakers one. Ooh, I'm actually rocking one of these right now. One of the Mitchell & Ness Lakers shorts. I got for like $30 or something. But yeah, that's fire. So these are 50, but like I said, it's not. I don't think they have 50% off the sale price. 50 off of the original price. But still, solid steals, man. Get these all for $40. They have a bunch of other apparel as well. Like I think Levi's is the only other thing that is excluded, but it didn't say Mitchell & Ness gear. They got a Shaq jersey right there. But yeah, it's pretty dope. There's a mom and pop shop doing it. They have like 5-6 stores though. This is the Southgate location. There's a bunch of them. They do got the iconic Jordan jump from the free throw line. That's the picture. That's totally the picture. Totally the picture from at Chic. That's the one they got at Chic. That is fire. Gotta take a look at these jerseys real quick. These are 130, so these would all be what, $65. They're already on sale for 80, so pretty decent prices. Who's this though? Oh, Cavs. I don't know who Free is from way back when. So this Mark Price, yeah, Mark Price, the Dudley Shooter from way back when. Abdul Rahim jersey. Got LJ right here. Got Morning. Pretty dope stuff, dude. Pretty dope stuff. KJ. Garnett. I got one of these Garnett jerseys. I just got it for way too cheap. It's 130. Did get 50% off, so it's at $65. Chris Paul jersey. Ray Allen. I don't know about all the sizing. Ben Wallace. O'Neal jersey. This one looks familiar. Do got one of these at home. But yeah, man, these are fire, dude. Fire jerseys. Be able to get them 50% off. Pretty dope. $65. I got mine cheaper at Lids. I did get mine cheaper. Alright, I think that's about it. I don't think I'm going to get those Air Max 90s. I was going to get them for a kid that I know, but I've already bought him a bunch of stuff. I need to find him a backpack. I think that's what I need. Alright, I think we're out, you guys. I think we're out. 50% off the entire store today. Their selection's pretty freaking amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Even the J's, man. Even the J's 50% off. Such a fan of these. These are fire. Definitely worth the stop, man. Definitely worth the stop, dude.
Yeah.